Hi guys, Mr. Drug Addict here. Alright, you know what it is. Fucking scary reaction. I don't want to do this as much as the next person. Okay? For all we know, fucking Billy, Bob, and Juliet could be taking a massive shit dump wherever they are right now. But you know, zero fucks are given. And that's just how the game goes. Like, whoa, 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 in my po. Okay, let's do this. I'll shut up.
It's pretty strange when a dog growls at something that's not there.
My
As
dog did
video
that shit, I
viewers
creep
believe it
out.
could be that their dog is sensing an unseen presence. That may be true, but no one knows for sure. That said, here are 5
Your
dogs
mom
scared of
does.
something their owners can't see.
Oh my god, fuck me in the ass crack hole
This first
and call
video
me
comes
Billy
from a dog
Bob.
owner who owns a 6-month-old beagle named Lewis. In
Call
the
me
video's
Billy Bob and
description, the
fuck
owner
me.
states that Lewis would always
I
wake
will
up
pay you
late
money
at
to
night,
fuck me. No, I'm
barking and
joking.
growling at something unseen in the kitchen. As the video shows, Lewis would usually growl at something near the kitchen cupboard.
Guys, when my glasses are crooked, just tell me. I don't care. You'd be helping me out if you tell me my glasses are crooked. Do I look like a drug addict? Be honest. 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. Do I look like a drug addict? 1 out of 10. Come on, rate
Some
me.
skeptics might say that Lewis is simply growling at some animal that's hiding in there. That may be the case, but the owner does seem genuinely spooked, as the video's description shows.
Well, you fuckers better leave a like or I will kick
This
your
next
ass.
vid comes from Megan Brooks, who states that her dog never growls and that it's very unusual her dog did this. Whenever her dog sees an animal or another person, she would usually be really happy and joyful. However, as the video shows, there doesn't seem to be anyone or
Don't
anything
text
close
me
to
right
her
now. You're
dog,
freaking me out.
causing Brooks to speculate
Like a
that her dog is
ding.
sensing something paranormal.
Get him. Tear that nigga's ass crack up in a new piece hole. Don't know what I just said. Fuck me on Google Plus. Or don't.
Brooks
No.
further adds that at the time she was recording this, the temperature of the room dropped by 10 degrees. What's even more chilling is the fact that others in the comment section believe that the statue across her might be the cause of her dog's reaction. They also added that negative energy tends to latch itself to objects like her Egyptian statue. If that's what's causing her dog's reaction, then removing the statue would be a very wise thing to do.
Oh, bud.
This video comes from Tracy Albrighton, who states
Is that a
Alfie
dog?
behaves
Okay, that's a dog.
strangely in certain areas of her house. She was able to capture one of Alfie's strange reactions while being inside her room. Here's what she recorded.
Get him. Tear him a new asshole. I done Googled all over my dick penis. Don't demonetize my video, YouTube. Fuck you. Sponsor me? Okay. I'll give you a bag of Skittles. Help. Stewie lost his baby on the side of the road on 8 Mile and got towed. Oh, what you know about that, ho? Well, them mates.
Just like the previous clips, this one is hard to tell if it's real or not. It could be that someone is standing by the doorway, causing her dog to act strangely. But like most of these videos, each dog owner seems to be genuinely concerned about their dog's reaction, which makes it hard to tell if it's fake or not.
Please, just one more after this. I will kill you if you don't do one more. Nah, I'm just joking.
Now, there isn't that much information about this vid in the description, but the video itself does give enough info to understand what's happening. That said, here's the clip.
Can you come over here now? Come here, Smooch. Can you come here? Come here, Smooch. It's okay. It's okay, come on. It's okay, come on. Come here, come on, Mommy. Come on. Mommy, come on. Come on. Archie, you hungry? Come on, let's get your mommy.
Fuck.
Here, I'm gonna open your closet, your cabinet. Leave my dog alone. Leave my dog alone.
Yeah, bitch.
Come on. It's okay. Come on.
Cali Blood, I beat your ass. I'm the newest YouTuber, by the way. Fuck me on everything.
It's clear that the owner herself believes her dog is sensing something otherworldly, which can be seen by her reaction to her dog's odd behavior. This makes the video somewhat believable, but her dog's reaction is by far the most convincing. The fact that her dog was acting this strange for more than 3 minutes shows that her dog might actually be afraid of something the owner can't see. Again, like most of these vids, it's hard to tell if it's real, so this pretty much leaves it up to you to decide if it's fake or not. Now this last video has a puppy named Zoe that barks and growls at a
I will be
wall
doing
inside.
funny videos
The owner
next.
claims that the video is legit and believes that Zoe is seeing something he can't
Reacting
see.
to funny
Here's
videos.
the
I'll
video.
be doing that.
Are you freaking kidding me? There's nobody here. She's growling at something. I'm honestly kind of scared. What is it, Zoe? Zoe? Zoe, what are you growling at? Huh? Zoe? I'm like afraid to look. There's literally nothing here. The only explanation is it's a ghost. Like, seriously, there's honestly no one here. I am literally home alone right now. Nobody here. No one in here. Literally nobody in the house. Except for me and Zoe. There's no one over here. No one's hiding. Every time I move, I swear to you. She's literally like looking and barking at like something that we can't see. She keeps looking over there. What the hell is going on right now? Are you kidding me? Zoe, what is it? What is it? What is it?
Now, a week later, Zoe acted strange again on the same spot as last time. Here's what was recorded.
I'll just test out this camera. She starts barking again at nothing. What is it, Zoe? Sure it was the neighbors or something. Oh my gosh, you're freaking me out, Zoe. What are you barking at? Huh? This is pretty creepy. What do you see? I don't know.
Now, although it may be true that his dog is sensing something paranormal, there are a few things in this video that can debunk that belief. For one, the shadow casted by the centerpiece on the table might be the cause of the dog's reaction. And second, it's known that dogs have a heightened sense of hearing. Because of this, it may be that Zoe is actually hearing something from the other side of the wall that's disturbing her. The same can be said for the previous videos, but again, it's hard to tell if that's what's actually happening. And it's hard to tell if it's fake since the owners of these videos, including their dogs, seem to be honestly scared. However, if this is somehow true, that dogs can actually sense something paranormal, and if I had a dog that acted strange just like these dogs, I, without a doubt, would be creeped out.
Like your mom's asshole.
Thanks for watching. If you've ever had a pet...
Alright guys, you better leave hit that motherfucking like button in the ass crack. And you better subscribe. I swear to God, for that video, you gotta subscribe. Like, there's no doubt about it. Alright, peace.